So hello guys, welcome to this chat. I don't know if you guys can hear me. You can just type anything on the screen. Yes, I can see a yes from Dennis. Okay, so welcome to AWS AI Machine Learning Scholarship. It's such an honor to have you guys, and I will be your mentor over the course, and I know that we will share much together and we will all finish in time. So I'm Dennis Maina. I'm from Kenya. I know everyone here is from different part of the country, of the world, and I want to know you more. Hopefully, as the time goes on, we'll get some meetings and we'll share much in common, especially the course itself. So let me take you through the course introduction for machine learning. I know machine learning can be a new term to most of you, but don't worry. If you have me here, you have it right. So about machine learning, I can say machine learning is creating a mind that acts like a human being, like a real human being. You know, like when you were born, you came with no knowledge, then you started to get the knowledge and you use that knowledge to make prediction and life choices. So that is machine learning. You feed the machine or the model, you fill the machine with data, which we will call model, you know, some kind of algorithm. And now that model, it is what that will train the machine how to operate and make predictions. We have our mentor, another mentor, and our course instructor at Udacity. Let us see what she has to say about machine learning.
Welcome to Introduction to Machine Learning lesson. I'm excited to be your instructor for this section. Machine learning is creating rapid and exciting changes across all levels of society. It's the engine behind the recent advancement in autonomous vehicles. It allows for more accurate and rapid translation of text into hundreds of languages. And it powers the AI assistants you might find in your home. We can also use machine learning to do things like improving worker safety and speeding up drug discovery. Machine learning is a complex subject area. Our goal in this lesson is to introduce you to some of the most common terms and ideas used in machine learning. I will then walk you through the different steps involved in machine learning and finish with a series of examples which use machine learning to solve real-world situations. There are a lot to cover. Let's get started.
Yes, you've heard from her. She's actually mentioned some points about machine learning. Like one, it can speed up drug design. It can help improve worker safety. It powers the AI assistants you might find in your home. It allows for more accurate and rapid translation of the text into hundreds of languages. It is the engine behind the recent advancements in industries such as autonomous vehicles. So you guys, I can tell you this is the course that can make you very rich, the course that, you know, it can transform your life. And by the way, if you want to change your career, if you've ever thought of changing your career, or you want to get into a career that is future based, I'm telling you, you have it right now. You have it right now. You just need to be consistent and work hard. Let us see another video.
Let's walk through this lesson's outline. First, we will discuss what machine learning is and the common terms and components involved in machine learning projects. You might know that machine learning involves using trained models to generate predictions or detect patterns from data. But what is happening behind the scene? In this section, we break down the different steps involved in machine learning. It's always important to connect theory to practice, so we will finish this lesson by providing a real-world example of how machine learning is being used to solve problems.
So guys, that will be all for today. You've understood at least machine learning. You know what is inside the course. Inside the course, it's what will change your life. So let us work together and let us meet in the next session. It was very nice to meet you for the first time, and have a nice day. Thank you.